If you want a way to make money without selling a product, with an opportunity that is free to get started with for now, I'm pretty sure this is going to remain free, but I'm just not sure, so I'm saying for now. Something that allows you to make high-ticket commissions. I'm talking like $2,000 and up, anywhere around that and up. With something that a lot of people aren't aware of, continue watching the rest of this video till the end. This particular video is for anyone who watched my last video. If you're new to my channel or subscribed to me but didn't see my last video, I'll try catching you up to speed. Essentially, this is all about helping people get free money. And I'm not talking about just me helping you get free money, but you helping give away money to anyone who qualifies to receive it. Just remember this, we get high ticket commissions for helping people get free money. In my last video, I talked about an opportunity that seemed like it fell from the sky. I mean, this was very unexpected for me. You guys saw a few videos back. I was like, hey, I don't know when I'm going to make videos again, especially about affiliate marketing. I feel like in that time, I just seen pretty much everything with affiliate marketing, and some really crazy stuff was happening in that industry. And I'm like, yeah, I'm going to just chill out on this. So I've come across some good opportunities, in that time, not enough to make videos about. This is it. Some of you clicked the link in the description of my last video and joined the movement because of how no-brainer this is. Okay, since you've made it this far into the video, here are more details on this opportunity. I said before, I wasn't trying to share a bunch because I myself was trying to wrap my brain around it, and I didn't want to get information wrong for you because this actually has to deal with the government. Yeah, that's a hint right here. During the 2020 virus pandemic, okay, I'm wording it like this because platforms like YouTube don't really like, people making videos around this, so I'm trying to be careful. Tons of businesses were basically forced to close their doors because of the government shutdown that happened. I mean, you remember that. I mean, the whole world remembers that. I mean, we were trapped for a while. A lot of business owners lost too much gross revenue and couldn't afford to keep their businesses going. And before I continue, I want to take this time to say, if you had anyone in your life that passed away from the virus, I'm very sorry for your loss. It's kind of funny because I remember you heard people say, oh, this is a lie. I don't know anybody who's passed away from it. Then you have people that say, they did know people that passed away from it. I'm unfortunately one of the people that I could probably count on both of my hands and like some of my toes of people that passed away in this very short period of time from the virus. So, again, I'm sorry for your loss if you experienced that. If you or anyone you know had to close their business down, I'm very sorry you had to go through that as well. But look, I'm about to probably give you something right here that will probably help with that time. If you or anyone you know struggled with their business and were paying employees during that time, you have money waiting for you from the government. If you didn't have a business, don't worry. You have money waiting for you too. So a lot of people, don't really know about this, but the government created something called the CARES Act, okay? And what this was a Relief and Economic Security Act, also known as the CARES Act, right? It's a $2.2 trillion economic stimulus bill that passed. I'm not gonna read all of this, but a lot of you know what I'm talking about here. You can research it and see it for yourself. I mean, a lot of us remember the stimulus checks that were being passed out to, regular people, the $1,200 checks you saw that the government gave away. We also heard of the PPP loans that businesses could apply for and all of that. Within the CARES Act, there's a program called the Employee Retention Tax Credit, aka the ERTC. The government set aside $400 billion to give away to businesses that were paying employees during 2020 and 2021 for free. This is not a loan. This is not a grant. This is not something business owners have to pay back. Like I said, this is not like the PPP loan. This is nothing like that. In fact, it's tax-free money for the business owners. That's insane. You might be saying, Marissa, I didn't have a business at that time, so I can't get this money. The link in the description of this video will show you a company that gives you high-ticket commissions for any business owner you refer to them that qualifies to get the free money from the government. All you have to do is get a business owner to literally fill out a form. For those of you who've kind of like followed me, you guys know within affiliate marketing, I love CPA marketing. This is pretty much CPA marketing on steroids right here. The company that's in the link in the description below has and is working on a system that will show you how to connect with business owners. When I learned about this, I was like, you know what? Y'all don't have to even show me how to get the business owners. I mean, like, a lot of you, and I know I could like think of at least one person that maybe you know, or some kind of local business in your area that you kind of built like a cool little relationship with the owner or something like that. that probably doesn't know about this. But besides that, like I said, this company is like in super pre-launch that helps us get money from all of this. And again, they're putting together resources and training and stuff like that for everybody. So in the last video, I talked about a webinar I wanted you to watch. I've edited that webinar and it's going to explain much more on this. You'll hear about some of the testimonials of how much money people are making from all of this. Not only, you know, helping business owners get that free money from the government, but literally getting the commissions off of that. It's literally insane. There are churches doing this, which is, that's just crazy to me. You'll learn why business owners don't already know about the ERTC. That was one of the questions that popped up live in the webinar, that a bunch of people were like, this has to be something people would know about. Essentially, 90% of the businesses out there that will qualify for this, they don't have any clue about this. Their CPAs don't know about this. And you'll learn why they don't know about this in the video. I'm not going to break all of this down. I'm giving you this information. You got to act now with this. I want people to, you know, take it upon themselves to learn a little bit more about this. You'll also learn why it's important to bring on as many affiliates as you can in the pre-launch of this company. Whether you've heard about this before, or whether, you know, you're seeing this now and you don't do anything with it, this will blow up. Like, you're going to start hearing this being talked about. So whether you take advantage of it now, it doesn't really matter. This is happening. I mean, because this is crazy. The government's giving away $400 billion to companies. I actually heard about this information about a month ago, but I just didn't believe it. But when I was shown this company that just broke it down in a much more simpler way for me to understand, I was like, oh, I thought it was a scam, but this is because it's dealing with the government. I know people do some shady stuff, okay? But this is not anything shady. This is legit. Again, research it yourself. You'll also learn the percentage that you're going to get when the business owners you refer to this company actually get their checks. And just to let you know, business owners will get up to $26,000 per employee that they had during 2020 and 2021 that, you know, they were paying and stuff like that. So it's like from $10,000 to $26,000. So if you find a business owner that had 10 employees, you know what I'm saying, if they were, you know, that they had during that time, they get up to $26,000 per employee. You get a percentage of that whole check. That's insane, right? This is all for free, by the way. In fact, click that link in the description below to get more information on this. Again, you'll get even more details and how this is going to literally blow up. One of the people behind this and that I learned this from is basically a marketing legend. His name is David Wood. Maybe some of you recognize that name. Maybe some of you haven't. I learned about this guy in like 2013. He and someone else started a company called Empower Network that it's not, you know, it's no longer around. But looking back, that company changed the game when it came to affiliate marketing, internet marketing. So many legends were born out of this company. People that I still follow to this day that maybe they're not doing affiliate marketing. They could have, I know some of them that have offline businesses, but have applied everything that they learned in Empower Network and are like multi-millionaires and just doing really, really well. I missed out on that. I'm not missing out on this. This is one thing I'm not missing out on. When I realized what this guy did and what he had put together and how much it affected this whole industry, it's just insane. I've seen some of you have actually already joined up for free under me in this company. A lot of you I see back there are people I already know, and a lot of you have knowledge on marketing, stuff like that. So I'm going to say this. While the company's putting together a whole system for everybody, once you sign up, you'll have your links. You'll have one link that's explained to you in the webinar that is for the business owners. Like if you want to go out there today, if you have an uncle that you know had a business and he was paying, you know, employees that were really affected by, you know, the pandemic, literally you'll have that link to go, and you can go to your uncle and say, hey, let's fill out this form real quick. And after that, the company will take over and get with, you know, the business owner, your uncle, right? And get all the other, information that's needed to send off to the government. And they will be getting money. There's not like, oh, maybe they'll get money, maybe that, you know, like we'll see what happens. No, once the business owners go through this process, they're 100% getting the money, which means you're going to get money for that. And then you'll also have a link in there to bring on affiliates, Right now, we are trying to bring on as many affiliates as we can. It's literally free, and some of you already know how to bring on affiliates. Grab those links. You'll see it once you sign up. It's very simple, and start promoting it. I'm still working on my own little training videos for the people that I see under me already. Like I said, there's a lot I'm waiting on for the company to roll out itself, but like, what you can do, you can literally take this video if you want. You know, you could take this video, you can take my last video, you can edit it, you can do whatever, and you can start promoting just your affiliate link just to bring on as many people as you can. Like I said, if you want to be a part of this opportunity, it's not going to last, and I think it's something that is one of the easiest ways we can all make money, and it's very unique when it comes to the whole make money online kind of world, or make money offline kind of world. Look out for more videos from me, and I'll talk to you later.